Penelope the penguin was a curious and adventurous bird who loved exploring her icy home in the Arctic. One day, while waddling along the frozen tundra, she stumbled upon a young polar bear cub named North, who was lost and shivering in the cold. Without hesitation, Penelope approached the bear cub and wrapped her wings around him, trying to keep him warm. North, surprised by the penguin's kindness, snuggled close to her, grateful for the comfort. From that moment on, Penelope and North became the most unlikely of friends. They spent their days playing together in the snow, sliding down icy hills, and diving into the frigid waters in search of fish and seals. Despite their differences in size and species, Penelope and North shared a deep bond. They looked out for each other, comforted one another when they were scared or sad, and always made each other laugh with their silly antics. As they grew older, their friendship only deepened. Penelope taught North how to navigate the treacherous ice floes, while North showed Penelope the best fishing spots and how to spot polar bears from a distance. Together, they faced the challenges of the Arctic, from fierce blizzards to hungry predators. But with each other by their side, they knew they could overcome anything. Years passed, and Penelope and North remained the best of friends, their bond as strong as ever. They knew that no matter what life threw their way, they would always have each other to lean on and to share in the joys and adventures of the Arctic.